Adobe Creative Cloud Photoshop Introduction. Photoshop is the premier pixel-based image editing software application used by professional graphic artists and photographers to create and modify images for use in print, multimedia, and web design. Our Adobe Creative Cloud Photoshop Introduction course will give you the fundamental skills for correcting and enhancing digital photographs and creating graphics for personal or business needs. This course will help you to edit, enhance, and combine images by understanding introductory image concepts. Enrich your images with various effects by applying mask and layer opacity. Crop, correct, repair, and adjust colors in images with retouching tools. Learn to switch between the color modes to best use your design. And learn to keep your projects organized by navigating the workspace. Learn how to make your images stand out with Adobe Photoshop Introduction.